Welcome back to Daytime Live. No, popcorn may not be popcorn. What did they say, popcorn?
That's what you said.
Popcorn. I'm British.
Yes, very British.
No, popcorn may not be on Drake's new album, which is entitled Certified Lover Boy, but he has recorded a track with reggae icon Berry's Hammond. You know, say him.
I prefer Berry's music than Drake one.
Anyway, let's take a look at the video. Popcorn or Gen Z or millennial?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
Hey, I tell you, popcorn going to some things, boy, I see. Yeah, remember what I tell you.
Want to do a video with my mother. Big up yourself. I be caught in space over there on the yacht. I never tell you what I go about the video still.
I don't think popcorn realize even half of where him go yet. Meaning, I don't mean realizing his head. He probably know, but I don't think that it has manifested yet. I don't even say half. The steps what the youth here take, great. Serious thing. Yeah. Why ask myself?
No. Me like them things. Listen to me. So when Craigie speaks some things, people would have to listen carefully. Craigie tell me something about 2 years ago. Like it still happened. When I walk in the street one day, I say, yo, you see.
No, but it's actually.
Well, you one. And like, you said so. I'm thinking, I'm like, you know, say the boy Craigie, this said.
Yeah, it's that thing where you have to learn how to talk to your future self, you know, because your future self talk to you more time.
But the man talk to my future self, future self, but tell me just they are work on the future self, they are reap the benefits. Listen, check out the video, Sir Berry's, I'm not say Berry's,
A Mother's Love.
A Mother's Love, and of course, Poppy, keep doing it, man.